Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a LinkedIn account. So if you want to create a LinkedIn account, first of all you have to open up a browser, and after opening up your browser, search for LinkedIn sign up. And you can find the first option, sign up. Just tap on that, and now you have to enter your email address and then enter your password. And after entering your email address and password, tap on continue. And now you have to enter your first name and last name. So after entering your first name and last name, just tap on agree and join. And after tapping on agree and join, now you have to pass a verification. Just tap on verify and then choose the images which are standing correctly. And after verifying your account, just tap on continue. And now you have to enter your most recent job title. And after entering your job title, tap on next. And now you have to enter a 6-digit code which has been sent to your email. Just copy and paste that code. And after entering that code, it will ask you, are you looking for a job right now? If you are, then tap on yes. If you are not, then tap on no. And after tapping on yes, you will successfully enter to your LinkedIn account. So this is how you create your LinkedIn account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.